It is my great pleasure to have this opportunity to present you our company. Our company is iAnalyzer Incorporation. The reason we name it as iAnalyzer because we hope we can bring the most sophisticated instrument to everyone, so any person can own it. It's just like the iPhone. So we want to bring the analytical laboratory to become mobile, can be brought to anywhere to do the analysis you need. So it can be used to make in situ real-time detection feasible. Let's say more than 30 years ago, people want to make a phone call. Sometimes it's quite difficult. You have to wait outside or phone post, and then you need to make a phone call only to the local people, not easy for the overseas. But nowadays, everyone has a mobile phone and can be used to call anyone you like worldwide. So we want is to make the analytical instrument just same as a cellular phone in about 10 years. So we want to bring the analytical capability to each individual. So our company, iAnalyzer, has 14 licensed patents from academia silica with intellectual property well protected. And we will have 4 different innovative products within the next 5 years. We also plan to come out with a cellular phone size type of mass spectrometer in about 10 years. In terms of market, we hope we can replace the current market by about 20%. And all the current mass spectrometer related products are very big, huge size, and heavy weight. Our products are lightweight and also much cheaper. Then the next market aimed at the portable market. That means it needs to be used for in situ real-time analysis, such say the illegal drug detection on the road, and also some pollutant detection in the ocean or on the mountains. Then the third market will be cellular mass spectrometer. That means the mass spectrometer will like the cellular phone size. And by that time, everyone will have the possibility to have a mass spectrometer by himself or herself. And mass spectrometer can be applied in nearly every field. And here I just give 6 major possible applications. And the first one is the disease diagnosis, such as detection of the biomarkers. So what kind of illness can be identified. Then another one is illegal drug for police to use, so they can find out who is the drug dealer and who is taking the drug. And then also the contaminant detection, such water contaminant or the river or lake contaminations. Then another big market is monitoring a semiconductor producing process. And it can also be used for air pollutant detection. Our mass spectrometer has one very unique feature. We have very, very broad mass range. So we increase the mass range by 10 billion, and such that we can measure the PM2.5. We also can use it to measure the entire cell or virus. And our mass spectrometer can also be brought to, let's say, the supermarket to do the food safety analysis, and such as heavy metal or pesticide inside the food. So current mass spectrometer usually are very big and also very expensive. Typical about $1 million US. And we aim to improve these two major disadvantages, to bring it down to very small, like in the right side. And what's the reason we can make it smaller? Because the current mass spectrometer all need ultra-high vacuums, 10 to the minus 6 torr or lower. But our mass spectrometer can be operated at 10 to the minus 2 torr. So we don't need to have the very big pumps, and that dramatically reduce the size. Also, we use our unique patent to scan the frequency for the different ion detections, and we can increase the mass range by 10 orders of the magnitude. And of course, because our size is smaller and portable, and so it will be very convenient to use. And at present time, we have the 4 major products, including the ion mobility spectrometer, portable liquid chromatography, and portable mass spectrometer. And if we combine the second product and third product, the fourth product will be portable LC-MS. And for the ion mobility spectrometer at present time, the current market is about $1 billion per year. The major use of this instrument is for explosive detection, and most places use this instrument is in airport or port. The second, portable LC. LC has been broadly used in the pharmaceutical and the chemical industries. The current market is $4.3 billion. Portable mass spectrometer can be used nearly for any chemical detections, and current market is about $4.1 billion. And if we combine the 2 and 3, currently in the major laboratory, they have this LC-MS, and we make the portable LC-MS. At present time, the market for LC-MS is $3.7 billion, and the estimate market in 2027 will reach $9.7 billion. So the total market for these 4 products about $13.1 billion. And we expect we should be able to replace the current market by about 20%, and then another for the portable market and also the future market. And the major competitor at present time, including these 5 big companies, Thermo Fisher, Agilent, Waters, Bruker, and Symatro. Then the applications almost are in all different fields. And our business model including the sales, and we will set up internet direct sales, and also the overseas distributor network. And of course, internet direct sale to let anyone in the world is interested can place the order. And I also like to emphasize another unique part is because our size is small and our weight is low, so we can use express delivery like Federal Express to send our instrument to anywhere. And if any customer has an instrument broken, need to be repaired, they can also easily send it back, and we can send a new one to them to guarantee they will have the instrument to use continuously without interruptions. Then our second business related to our R&D service, we will continue to do the innovative research project and get the government funding. We also want to do the contract research and the development for private industries. And in terms of manufacturing, if we get a big order, we already have the agreement with major manufacturing company to do the mass productions. And I have been working on an analytical instrument for a long time, almost more than 40 years. And before I came back to Taiwan, I was working at US National Laboratory and also developed all different types of ultra-sensitive detections. And that's the reason I start to think this is about time to miniaturize this complex instrument to become personal use. And we have a big team with about 10 persons involved. And these 5 people are in our teams. Dr. Lin in charge of technology, and Dr. Abdel Ostamir, he helps on some innovative innovative instrument development. And we have several researchers with PhD degrees, and we also have business people to help us to develop the market and, and also solicit the investment. So our long-term goal is to bring the portable analytical instrument to everyone, and that every family, every person can have this instrument to assure food and environmental safety. So we believe this is about the era for the person analyzer to come, and smaller will be also smarter. Many people probably will doubt and say, can we really bring this very expensive mass spectrometer to a very low price? And my answer is yes, because when the size becomes smaller and the quantity becomes much bigger, the cost also will become much, much cheaper. Actually, mass spectrometer is not more complex than a color TV or personal computer. And of course, you know what's the price of the small color TV or personal computer. They are all affordable by individual. And currently, we already have 3 products. One is a handheld ion mobility spectrometer, and with a smaller size, 20 centimeter by 15 by 27 centimeters. And we expect to put this instrument for the sale price at $20,000 US. And the middle one is a portable LC, and the price will be about $50,000. And the right one is a portable mass spectrometer. The price is about $100,000. And all the price compared to current product, the price roughly is only 1/3 of the current product, or some of them in 1/5. So we expect in 2021, near the end of this year, we will start to have the advertisement on all 3 instruments. We also will start to set up a distributor worldwide. And next year, we will put the product one by one into the market. And we expect to have the IPO, let's say, roughly in 2026. And so at this moment, we will try to solicit the investment for $6 million US, and it should last about 2 years. By 2024, we expect to make even, and then gradually become more and more profitable. So I want to emphasize again, we want to bring the analytical laboratory into the mobile form, so to make in situ real-time detection feasible. And thank you very much for your attention.